I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making sure Excel is updated and you're signed into your Microsoft account. This syncs files and settings. Once signed in, grant files or OneDrive access so work auto-saves. Open a blank workbook or choose a template to avoid wasted setup. Tap a cell to edit, drag the fill handle to copy, and double-tap to enter formula mode. These first actions get you into the editing flow quickly and ensure changes persist across devices. Now focus on building the sheet. Use the ribbon tabs to insert tables, charts, and apply formatting. Swipe the ribbon to reveal hidden options. For calculations, tap the formula bar or press an external keyboard's equals key. This is faster for long expressions. Make use of autofill to copy patterns, define named ranges for clarity, and apply conditional formatting to highlight values. Once done, use filters and sorts under data to analyze results. These steps make the workbook both accurate and readable. Complete the file by confirming autosave synced. If needed, export a PDF or save a local. XLSX copy to files. Share the workbook by inviting collaborators or sending a link and choose Edit versus View Permissions so everyone sees the right thing. Before closing, review version history to restore prior states. If something goes wrong, restart Excel and reauthorize OneDrive. Make sure the file isn't stuck in offline mode. These final steps secure your work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.